What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we will be unboxing the Realme Pad. This is the 464 variant, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So this is the box itself, and this tablet comes with a high resolution audio along with Dolby Atmos. On the front we have the picture of the product itself, and we have the Realme Pad branding on the left and Realme logo on the top. On the back we have some important specifications like it's ultra slim and light. It has a 10.4-inch immersive display, a bigger 7100 mAh battery, quad speaker Helio G80 gaming processor, and an 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera. And on the bottom we have some other specifications like the name and the other specifications as well. So let's go ahead and quickly do the unboxing, and let's remove the top box and see what all contents we have inside. So the first thing we have is of course the tablet itself. So let me keep this aside for the time being and see the other accessories what we get inside. So the first thing we have in the compartment is the user manual guide, which is of no use. Again, if you want you can go ahead and go through this. And we also have a SIM card removal tool. We have a 18-watt adapter included in the box. As you can see, it's 18 watt, and along with this we have a USB type C to type A for charging. So let's quickly remove the tablet out of the plastic and turn it on and see how it look and feel. So I got this tablet from a local shop for a price of rupees 18,000 rupees. If you want to buy this, the link for Flipkart is in the description below. So on the back, as you can see, this is the camera, and on the bottom we have the type C along with the dual speaker. On the bottom we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left hand side we have nothing. On the top we have again two dual speaker along with lock and unlock key, and on the right hand side we have the volume up and down, dual microphone and SIM card slot. In all, this tablet has quad speaker, two on the bottom and two on the top. So let's boot this, and I have a accessory for the tablet as well that I ordered from Amazon. This is a flip cover or a book cover for the tablet that makes it pretty comfortable to use and also keeps it more secure. So let's quickly remove the cellophane from inside and put the tablet inside the cover. It's very smooth from the inside. The overall look and feel of the tablet is really good. It doesn't have the crazy 120 Hz refresh rate, but then again it's pretty good for the price. So once you put the tablet inside the cover, it becomes pretty nice and snug, and it becomes pretty comfortable to use. It almost looks like a book or a diary, and you can also use this cover for watching the movie. So you can just lift up the tablet and put it on the cover like this, so that you can enjoy watching movies on this as well. So once again, if you want to buy this tablet, the link for Flipkart and Amazon is in the description below. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like the video. Do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab. Have a great day.